How to fix echo on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix echo on Discord application. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Discord with your account. Alright, so after you open the application, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from this section, you'll have to tap on settings just at the top right corner. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and you have to go with the option voice. So simply tap on voice. Alright, so from this voice section, you'll have to scroll down, and from this voice processing section, you'll be able to see options like echo cancellation. So from here, you'll have to just turn on this feature from here. So after you turn on this, you'll be able to fix the echo problem on your Discord. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.